Hey plant lovers! Today we're diving into some mind-blowing plant facts that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about our green friends. Let's get started. Did you know that some plants can count? The Venus Flytrap actually counts the number of times its trigger hairs are touched before snapping shut. It needs exactly 2 touches within 20 seconds to ensure it's catching real prey and not just debris. Talk about plant mathematics. Here's something wild. Certain bamboo species communicate their flowering time across continents. In 2017, the same species of bamboo flowered simultaneously in India and South America. Scientists still can't explain how they sync up across such vast distances. Ready for this? Plants get stressed too, but instead of therapy they produce ultrasonic sounds when under pressure. These screams are at frequencies between 20 and 100 kilohertz. Your garden might be having a full-on concert right now, and you'd never know. Ever heard of the resurrection fern? This incredible plant can lose up to 97% of its water content and appear completely dead for years. But give it a single drop of water, and within hours it springs back to life like nothing happened. Talk about playing the long game. This one's particularly strange. There's a plant called Amorphophallus decasylvae that can actually raise its temperature to human body temperature during blooming. It's like the plant version of warm-blooded animals. Meet the wild tobacco plant, nature's own motion sensor. It can recognize caterpillar saliva and start producing defensive chemicals within minutes of being nibbled on. That's faster than most home security systems. Here's a shocking one. Scientists discovered that some plants can detect the sound of caterpillars munching on leaves and will preemptively increase their defensive chemicals. They're literally eavesdropping on their predators. The Australian underground orchid spends its entire life cycle below ground. It never sees the sun and gets all its nutrients by parasitizing fungal networks. It's basically the vampire of the plant world. Did you know there are plants that can clone themselves to escape death? The king's holly in Tasmania has been cloning itself for over 43,000 years. That's older than most human civilizations. And finally, here's the kicker. Some plants can recognize their relatives through root systems and will compete less aggressively with their siblings than with stranger plants. Family values exist even in the plant kingdom. If you enjoyed these mind-bending plant facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Leave a comment below telling me which fact blew your mind the most.